The PM is scheduled to visit Punjab. As the PM scheduled to visit, the BJP has hit out at the Congress party and asked as to where the LOP is. The BJP has hit out at LOP Rahul Gandhi, saying that as Punjab grapples with floods, the LOP is vacationing abroad. The BJP has hit out at Rahul Gandhi and has said that the LOP has gone abroad after his Bihar campaign. Remember that PM Modi will be visiting Punjab on the 9th of September to meet the people and farmers affected by one of the worst floods that the state has seen in recent years. Now, as the PM is scheduled to visit Punjab, the BJP has hit out at the Congress, especially the LOP, saying that as Punjab grapples with the devastating impact of the floods, the LOP is holidaying abroad.
नहीं, सही है। बिहार में की गर्मी उमस और बिहार के लोगों से तो ऐसे भी कांग्रेस के लोगों को बड़ी दिक्कत रहती है, तो बिहार के लोग के साथ वो यात्रा किया, उसके बाद वो कुछ ज्यादा ही थक गए क्योंकि भीड़ आई नहीं, यात्रा फ्लॉप रही, सिर्फ कांग्रेस आरजेडी के वर्कर ही आए, तो निराशा भी हुई होगी। तो उसके लिए रिलैक्स करने के लिए वो मलेशिया चले गए। अच्छी बात है, छुट्टी मनाए। राहुल गांधी बिना छुट्टी मनाए कैसे रह सकते हैं? हम लोग तो जानते हैं कि राहुल गांधी चुनाव को और राजनीति को पार्ट टाइम लेते हैं, फुल टाइम तो जॉब वो मानते ही नहीं, इसलिए छुट्टियां भी मना रहे हैं।
Well, on this week, my colleague Ishwarya joining us on the telecast. Ishwarya, clearly politics has already begun when it comes to Punjab floods. The BJP, after announcing that the PM will visit Gurdaspur, has hit out at the Congress, saying that, while Punjab grapples with floods, the LOP is holidaying outside. What is the latest that you're tracking on this story?
Well, that's right. In fact, Bharatiya Janata Party took a jibe at leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, stating that he is a non-serious politician and he takes politics as a part-time job. He is irresponsible on his duties, is something that the BJP had stated earlier. Remember, it was Bharatiya Janata Party leader Amit Malviya who had tweeted a photograph of Rahul Gandhi while he was seen with foreigners and claimed that he is in Malaysia after a little campaigning, quote-unquote, what the BJP says that he does in the state of Bihar, and to relax a bit, he has now gone to Malaysia. But on the other side, look at what Prime Minister is doing. He is going to meet the farmers who are affected because of the flood, and he would be in Gurdaspur in the flood affected areas in the state of Punjab, and he will be assuring the state of Punjab that it is not Punjab which is alone. The centre is assuring every sort of help as far as the centre relief work is concerned. The NDRF had been working non-stop under the directions of the central government, and certainly it is all sorts of help and a short-term, mid-level and long-term planning that is being done to boost up the morale of farmers, to bounce back as far as the losses that they have incurred as far as the farmlands are concerned, and to share the grief of the farmers, the grief of the people who had been affected because of the flood. Prime Minister himself will be monitoring, will be taking a stock of the situation, and will be meeting the brothers and sisters of Punjab, while it is the Bharatiya Janata Party who has taken a jibe and stated that look at what Prime Minister is doing and look at what Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition of the country, is doing as far as visiting Malaysia, touring and having a trip over there, right, after a very little campaign that he did in the state of Bihar.
Right, Ishwarya, continue to stay with us on the telecast. We actually have a reaction coming from RJD. We have Manoj Jha, who has also spoken on this. Let's in fact quickly listen in.
आप जैसे वायर सर्विस के एजेंडे में आना, ये ओछी टिप्पणी है। इस तरह की टिप्पणियों के पर प्रतिक्रिया देना भी उचित नहीं है।
Right, clearly, you heard obviously reaction coming in from the RJD as well. Ishwarya, this has become a bigger political controversy, and not just Punjab, there's also Bihar that's involved in this, given the fact that, they are hitting out at Rahul Gandhi for, having left his campaign in Bihar and he's gone abroad. What exactly are you reading in this story?
Well, so far the Congress party has not commented on the Bharatiya Janata Party's claims that Rahul Gandhi is in Malaysia. They're completely silent about it when asked by the top leaders as well. They haven't much commented on it. But we all know for the fact that it was Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav was on a long 20 days vote Adhikar Yatra in which it was a hybrid mode Padyatra along with certain parts of Bihar that was covered via vehicles as well, and we saw a lot of support from the supporters of the RJD and the Congress party over there. But certainly it is the Congress party who had tweeted about the condition of Punjab and stated that the entire India bloc is together. We have seen Rahul Gandhi's tweet on Punjab as well, and that video that he issued urging Prime Minister to urgently issue and announce a relief package for the state of Punjab, and had stated that the entire India bloc is together with the Aam Aadmi Party ruling government there in Punjab. But a weird controversy have erupted today when it was the scheduled trip of Prime Minister being announced that he will go to Gurdaspur. The BJP taking a jibe at the Congress party and the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi that look at the seriousness of leader of opposition, while Prime Minister, after returning from China and Japan, he is in India heading several important meetings for the country and announcing a GST next gen reforms. He's now heading to Punjab, while on the other side it is leader of opposition who is on a trip to Malaysia for to relax a bit, and certainly calling it a little campaigning in Bihar, to which he was much tired.
Right, absolutely, Shweta. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us. Meanwhile, joining me right now on the telecast is Mr. Pradeep Bhandari, who is national spokesperson of the BJP, as well as Dr. Pooja Tripathi from the Congress. So I'm going to go to you first. Help us understand, your party members have hit out at the LOP. The PM has just announced that, he will be in Gurdaspur. What is it that you have to say on this?
Well, the Prime Minister of the country will be in Gurdaspur. He will be meeting the victims of the victims who have been affected by incessant rains and flood. On the other hand, you've seen Rahul Gandhi, who is yet again on another foreign location. Congress party has clearly mentioned its priorities. Congress party claims that the leader of opposition is very cognizant about people's concern. But on one hand, the leader of opposition has prioritized his foreign vacation over meeting the flood relief victims of Punjab. This clearly tells you that Rahul Gandhi is not interested in public service. Rahul Gandhi is only interested in holidaying and partying. On the other hand, the NDA believes in service. Even the flood relief which is given by the Congress party, it only has stickers of Rahul Gandhi, which clearly mentions that what they want to focus on is claiming credit rather than serving the people. That is why the people of Punjab are extremely angry. Recall when there was a landslide in Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi had come with more than 32 camera person for a photo op opportunity. So Rahul does not believe in genuine public concern and genuine public service. He only believes in photo op and PR.
Right, so I'm actually also going to take this forth to Dr. Pooja Tripathi. Ma'am, you just heard talk about how, he believes that the Congress is just doing a photo op. He doesn't believe that the Congress and especially the LOP Rahul Gandhi believes in genuine service when it comes to, disaster affected states. What is it that you have to say on this?
I agree that, I agree with Pradeep that photo op should be avoided. I want to ask, where is Prime Minister Modi ji when Manipur has been burning for 2 years? Has he set a foot there? No. Why is Prime Minister Modi absent when tourists were gunned down in Pahalgam? But Prime Minister Modi did cut down his foreign trade, but he went to Bihar for a program because we know that there is an election in Bihar. But Prime Minister Modi didn't go, and when also Prime Minister Modi ji was shooting a documentary, shooting a television show when Pulwama happened. So this is very rich coming from, Bharatiya Janata Party saying we do photo ops. And when Punjab is reeling under, the 40 settlements, 70 villages and 123-kilometer roads have been washed away. Every opposition party is on ground and they just questioned the relief material. The 5 kilo ration as Prime Minister Modi ji's photo, and we have seen Nirmala Sitharaman, actually scolding a collector कि जब तक आप राशन में प्रधानमंत्री की फोटो नहीं रहेंगी तब तक आप उनको रिलीज कैसे करेंगे? So this is the same party that's asking us, and that's why we are saying the same party which has made a mockery, which has made a show of, abrupt show of taking photo persons along, PR and propagandizing everything, is asking us. So he is not, Rahul Gandhi is not somebody who has claimed to be a non-biological person. He's a person. And he has been on the ground. He has appealed to the central government to release the funds stalled by the Punjab government. Rather than doing that, they are just doing the opposition back and forth. I wonder if Rahul Gandhi didn't exist, what would they have been invented for political mudslinging? Their priority should be Punjab plus, their priority should be Himachal plus, not Rahul Gandhi's pictures that have come out.